Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Emily. Today I'm going to be filming like a little night out vlog because I'm going to go see some fireworks today since it's Bonfire Night this week. Or like, it was Bonfire Night on Wednesday, but we're going to do this thing today. I've not been to school today, even though it's a Friday. I've not been to school because I've been actually quite ill. But yeah, let's just get ready. If you hear that my voice is like not hitting, it's because I'm ill. Okay, I've got dressed. I'm going to just do my hair and put on like mascara and some lip liner and stuff. And I'm going to show you my fit for the day. Ignore this much mascara. The light is on, so clearly someone's in here.
I was checking if someone's in, so tell me.
Well, maybe knock. If someone's in the bathroom, you don't open the door to check if someone's in there. You knock while I was on the toilet. I'm already annoying her because... Out for the night because I've actually been in my pyjamas all day, but jumper is from Primark. Leggings are from Gymshark. Socks are from Primark as well. And actually, just remind me, I'm going to put in some earrings. Earrings from Primark. Also, I went to this shop called HMV and I bought some new Ariana Grande posters. So if you know, I have this one and I also have that one, but got some new ones. Oh, okay. So I got this one, which is fine next to that one. And then I got this one. Wow. I think I might get another one, but there's no new one, so can't get any yet.